how to use Google API inside Photoshop to generate Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro images with maximum quality and resolution. Let's begin. So normally, if you want to use Nano Banana inside Photoshop, you have to come and make a selection, go to Generative Fill, write your prompts and select Nano Banana Pro or the old Nano Banana, which is very low quality. And if you want to use Nano Banana Pro with 4K resolution or Nano Banana 2, which at the moment it doesn't exist here, you can't. So for this purpose, we are going to use Eti Image plugin. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this, and I'm going to explain what are the new features, the new updates in the version 2.5.2. So in this version, we have made some changes, and most important one is that we added Google API. So now if you have some tokens, free tokens on Google API, or you prefer to use Google API directly so you avoid failure in the image generation, you can come here to aistudio.google.com, come here, click on Get API Key, and then click on Create API Key, select a name, select a project, and click on Create Key. And of course, set up your billing as well. Don't forget that. So when you do that, you can come here to this plugin. Of course, if you don't have the plugin, you can get it from the link down in the description, which brings you here on this page. You can read more about this plugin and all the features and all the abilities and AI models that it has. You can get the plugin from here, then install it on your Photoshop, and then you can come here to the setting and paste the API key that you got it from here. You generated. All you need to do is to just come here and click on Copy API Key and paste it here and click on Save. So in this version, we added Google AI API Key, and now in Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro, you have a new provider which is called Google. You can select it. It has all the features possible that Google let us use, like 4K resolution, different aspect ratios, Google search. This is for Nano Banana Pro. And for Nano Banana 2, it's the same. And also you can see the pricing here. For example, for 1K using Google API, you can see it is like 6 cents. Then for 2K, it's like 10 cents. And for 4K, it is 15 cents, which is much cheaper than Nano Banana Pro, which on 4K, it is 24 cents. So all you need to do is to just write a prompt. Let's copy this sample prompt. I'm going to come here and paste it. And then I have made a selection and I'm going to click on Generate. Now, the next thing that we made here is that you no longer need to wait for these generations to complete. While they are processing, you can add more generations. For example, you can turn off Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2, select, for example, Seedream 5 Lite and Seedream 4.5 and click on Generate. It will add these in the queue and immediately start the process. It will send the request to the platforms that I selected. For example, for Seedream 4.5, Kai is selected, and for Seedream 5 Lite, Replicate was selected. It immediately sends the request to them, and you no longer need to wait for the generation to complete and send another request. As you can see, Nano Banana Pro result is ready, and we can see it. And when a generation is complete, it will be removed from this waitlist, and the ones that are still processing, we can see them here. As you can see, the result for Seedream 5 Lite is ready, even though that we send this request much later than Nano Banana 2. It was generated by the AI model. The result was ready. It's just completed it and placed it here. But one thing you should notice while these are generating, if I just move to another file at the top here, when the result is ready, it will place it in the file which is selected. So if I move to another file, it will place it there. Okay. So Nano Banana 2 result is also ready. The Seedream 4.5 is still under processing. Yeah, it is still running. If it fails, here it will be this card will become red, and you can click and view the error and see what is the issue. Usually when you use Kai or replicate, it has some chance of failure. It is normal. You can just try again. It will not deduct credit or any money from your account. So meanwhile, this is processing. Let's come here and let's search for old damage portrait. And let's come to images. Let's just randomly select an image. Let's select this one. I'm just going to come here and copy this image. And as you can see, it is still processing. Now, this is taking much longer than usual, and this depends on the servers of that platform. For example, for this one, we are using Kai, and sometimes it's like their servers are not warm enough, and you should send the request. Maybe the first time failed, but the second time it will get much faster and with higher success rate. Meanwhile, this is generating. I'm going to create a new page here and paste this image. And if we go to the Pro tab, if we come here under Fast Actions, we have Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro. Okay, the result is ready and placed it here. This is what I mentioned. So the result of Seedream 4.5 is ready and place it here. I'm just going to come here, drag and drop it back into this page. So that was what I was mentioning. If you are in another page, it will place the result in that page. So I'm going to make a selection, and now here we can also select Google as our provider. So I'm going to come here, select cracks, restore, colorize, and retouch for Nano Banana 2. Then I'm going to select Google and 4K, send my request. Then again, I'm going to come here, do the same for Nano Banana Pro, 4K, Google, and send my request. This way, no longer I need to wait for one of them to get ready until I can go for the next request. These are all the new features we added. And also here we just made the look of the prompt library a little bit better and more understandable. Also, we fixed some bugs and improved UI and make it a little bit better and easier to understand. Let's wait for these two results to get ready. Okay, both of the results are ready, and you can see the result here, but as you can see, the quality is not good, right? The quality is really bad. Now, that's not an issue. This is because the resolution of our file is very low, but the images generated, as you can see, they are smart objects and they preserve the resolution that they have, and they were generated as 4K. So all I need to do is to come here on image and select image size. And here I can just write down 4000 pixels width. And now zoom back, and we can see all the details that these two AI models generated. So this is the result for Nano Banana Pro, and this is the result for Nano Banana 2. And if I zoom in, you can see the quality and how cool this is, isn't it? So these were the new changes and new updates in Eti Image version 2.5.2. If you have faced any other bugs or any other issue on the plugin, or if you want to see some features or some abilities or some AI models on the plugin, all you need to do is to leave a comment. I will read all of your comments and I will do my best to add it to the plugin. Again, if you don't have the plugin, you can get it from the link down in the description from this page. You can go through it, see what you can do with the plugin, and download the plugin and install it. It's very straightforward. If you are interested in this video, do not forget to like and leave a comment on this video. This way I will understand you like it, and I will make more of these tutorials for you. And if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, do not forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss our amazing upcoming videos. That would be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new, and I hope to see you soon on the next video.